It's a cute toy, Mommy. Very cute indeed. Kevin riding on a scooter. Yeah. Nice! Nice one, Mommy. Hey, boy Markslen! He's holding a scissors. Careful with that, Markslen. I see 2 boxes that need to be unboxed. Wow, a bump and go train. And wow, is that Kevin the Minion?
Yeah.
Kevin Scooter! Yeah, he's so curious. The Minion. Minion Kevin Markslen. And he's riding a scooter. And there's a British flag. Baby boy. Hey, Mami Rhea, how are you this afternoon?
I'm good.
Alright. How was your trip to the mall?
It was good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you eat there?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Japanese restaurant.
Japanese food?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, boy. Yeah, scissors. Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. There you go. Thank you, Markslen. Hey, that's a funny looking train. Go, Mommy. Hey, Markslen, baby boy. Yeah. Mommy, turn it on. That police car. Yeah, boy, look. It spins. Nice, huh? The wheels light up. Yeah. Spinning time. Tanan, tanananan, tan tan tanan, tanananan, tanananan, tanan tan tan. Yeah, boy. Woo! It's like a snake. A bump and go train. Oh no, the bowling pins. Moving backwards. A bump and go police car. Mommy, what happened to that train? Yeah. Okay, Mommy, let's unbox that bump and go train. Can I see the back of the box? Oh, it's a transformer train. It becomes a robot or it turns into a robot. Unbox it, Mommy. Okay. Put batteries, Mommy. How many batteries? I think 3 AA batteries. Right? Yeah, 3 AA batteries. Yeah, boy. You want to get the shapes inside the train. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, the shapes. Yeah. Okay, the batteries are installed, mommy?
Yep.
Okay. Triangle, heart, square, hexagon. How does it transform? Oh, there you go. Woo, now it's a robot. A robot train. Now it's becoming a train again.
Nice, huh?
And now it's a train. Awesome. With lights and sounds. And now transforming into a robot. Cool, huh? And now it's a robot again. Nice. He wants to play with you, Maya. Markslin wants to play with you. This is cool. A transforming train. It becomes into a robot. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Okay, a robot again. Hey, boy. Into a train. Cool. Mommy, can I see the back of the box? Okay, Kevin Scooter, infrared RC. Nice. The front of the box again, Mommy. Okay, and there is Kevin. Okay, unbox it, Mommy. Unboxing time. Okay, there is Kevin. Yeah. It's a scooter RC or an RC scooter. Yeah. Markslin, look, Thomas. Whee! It's Thomas. Thomas the train. Okay, Minion Kevin, RC scooter. Mommy's gonna put batteries now. 2 AA batteries for the controller.
And
I think 3 AA batteries for the scooter itself.
oh yeah.
Right? Okay. Go, Mommy. A transforming train. Bump and go toy. With lights and sounds. Yeah, give it to Mommy, na. Mommy, he's giving it to you. Thank you, Markslin. Wow! Maya, look! Cute, right? Cute!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fast! Ouch!
So nice.
Cute!
Cute.
Kevin the Minion RC scooter!
Wow. Marklin.
How do you control it, Mommy?
What's this?
What?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah! Oh, it's gone! Kevin the Minion is gone! Bring him back here, Mommy! Bring him back here! Okay, Mommy! Yeah! Kevin the Minion! Wow! Did you just spin?
Yeah.
Wow! Spinning style! Do it again, Mommy! Woo! Spinning action! Woohoo! And the controller! An infrared controller. An infrared RC. Okay. Ah, Mommy. Stand it up, please. Oh, Mommy, please.
Again.
Yeah, my bad. Oops. Whoa! I think I was too fast. Too fast? Duh. Yeah. Do the spinning action, Mommy.
Okay.
Whee! Oh! Yeah. Woohoo! Forward! Go, Mommy! Yeah. Kevin the Minion! Nice! Hey, Star Wars! Hey, it's R2-D2! Mommy, can you press that star button? R2-D2! Nice, eh? Yeah.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Nice. Okay, turning on the switch. A Soviet KV-2 heavy tank RC. The giant. Turn on the transmitter, Mommy. Rev the engine. Nice. Okay, Markslen. He's excited. He's excited. Smart. Whee! Oh. Careful, careful. Yeah. Mommy. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train. Drift. Maya is drifting.
I need your
Like a car drift.